March seemed to fly by so quickly, but I had lots to put in my nature journal. I've been drawn to the trees this month, and I've visited our nearest hill and 3 local woodlands. You can find out more about my visit to Brexwood and identifying trees over on the community tier. We took a walk to our nearest hill, Townclose Hills, a really special area of magnesium limestone where particular species live. Checking in with the hawthorn, still tightly in bud. And we found blackthorn, still tightly in bud as well. And managed to do some sketching whilst being serenaded by a robin. It amazes me the difference in the hawthorn depending where the plants are. Some so tightly in bud, others already starting to grow flowers. And then something really exciting happened. Snow.
Here he comes.
And we spotted this amazing phenomena where the water collected on the bottom of the alder cones and the tannins dripped out of the alder cones in this beautiful glowing yellow. I love how the snow just makes everything sound so quiet and peaceful. And just like that, it was gone. I spotted lots of coltsfoot this year, really near to where I live, but also we took a walk to a local wood called Ringhay Wood, not far from where we walked last month, and there were lots of beautiful coltsfoot and sweet violets. I took a walk one day in search of wood anemone at a local woodland called Stubb Woods. This is a tiny little strip of woodland, but in spring the floor just lights up with wood anemone. I got there a little too early. Maybe next week the floor will be full. We did manage to forage some beautiful wild garlic though for our lunch. And to end the month, I came across this really interesting plant called scurvy grass. It's usually found in coastal areas, but the seeds are getting caught in car tyres and it's slowly moving its way further inland. I found it along a really busy roadside, so it was really interesting finding all about this plant. So I hope you've had a great March and managed to put some things in your nature journal. Did you find anything interesting this month?